Welcome to our new feature episodes for Incari Studio 2024. In this episode, we will show you how to import your designs from Figma into Incari Studio using the Incari Figma Importer. Before we can start importing our design file, a token must be created in Figma. This is necessary to authenticate our request to the Figma API. To do this, we go to our account settings. Under the Security tab, we can create a new token. In this case, I call it Tutorial Token. Under Expiration, we can set how long the token should be active. In this case, I'm using 1 day. There are various access settings below this, but we will leave them at default for now. After we have clicked on Generate Token, we get our personal token, which we now save locally on our PC, as now is the only chance. We can now import our design into Incari Studio. Under View, we open the Figma Importer. In the Figma Importer, we now have 2 input fields, one for the token and a second for the document key. Now, where do we get the document key from? Let's take a step back and open our Figma board. In the URL, there is a code in the 3rd position which we copy. This is our document key. After we have pasted the code and clicked on the Access button, we get further import settings. In the drop-down menu, we change from all pages to single page. Under Figma Page, we have access to all pages created in the Figma board. We select Media Player. Under Incari Scene, we have the option of either loading the design into the active scene or creating a new one. We select Create Scene and click on Import. Incari Studio has now created a new scene with the name of the Figma page and imports all important assets, including all external graphic image elements, from Figma directly into the Asset Manager. As you can see, the design has been imported one by one from Figma. All vector elements are now displayed by Incari's internal vector rendering engine. We can select all elements and edit them further if necessary. Incari Studio took over the object hierarchy, alignments, and layouting correctly. Please notice the fonts used in your Figma project are not downloaded because of limitations of the Figma API. For these fonts used in the design, corresponding font slots are created in the project settings, where you can easily exchange fonts globally in the project. These were the basics to use the Figma Importer in Incari. In an upcoming feature, we will go into more functions and features. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next feature episode.